Most people see the already redeemed error and immediately assume their Google Play gift card is gone forever. But that's not always true. Here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, the card is not stolen or lost. It's just been applied to the wrong account, or there's a sync issue. In this video, you will learn why the already redeemed error happens in 2026, how to check if your balance is still there, and what steps you can take to recover it safely. Let's start with the most common reason. You might have redeemed a card on a different Google account without realizing it. This happens a lot when people like Alex use multiple Gmail accounts on the same phone. The code gets applied, but on the wrong profile. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many users think the card is invalid, but the balance is actually sitting on another account. So the first thing you should do is switch between all your Google accounts and check the Play Store balance under each one. But here's the problem most people miss. Sometimes the Play Store app does not refresh the balance immediately. So even if the card was successfully redeemed, it may not show up right away. A simple sign out and sign in can refresh the system. Let's walk through the fix step by step. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Switch between all active Google accounts on your device. Check the payments and subscriptions section in each one. If the balance appears, you've already found your gift card funds. If nothing shows up, go to your Google Pay history. Sometimes redemption is logged there even if the Play Store does not update instantly. This helps confirm whether the code was used. Now here's another important possibility. If John bought a gift card from a third-party seller, there is a chance it was already redeemed before purchase. In that case, only Google support or the retailer can help verify it using the card code and receipt. Another useful fix is clearing the cache of the Google Play Store app. Go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, then clear cache and restart your phone. This often resolves display glitches. If the issue still exists, contact Google Play support. Provide the card code and proof of purchase. They can trace whether the redemption happened and on which account. So let's quickly summarize. The already redeemed error usually means the card was used on another account, the balance has not refreshed, or there is a system delay. In rare cases, it may be a pre-used or invalid card from the seller. If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple fixes that actually work in real life.